On Monday morning, a peaceful protest in central Harare was abruptly interrupted when police dispersed demonstrators. Despite claims of peaceful intent by the organizers, a group of Harare residents gathered a brief near the central business district to voice their opposition to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's third-term agenda, but their efforts were swiftly thwarted by law enforcement. Sana mina mashkobdani gorgeous our police clash with the Harare protesters. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnomobdani komchinzi. The protest, which was organized by war veteran Blessed Geza, was part of a growing movement calling for the government to address the country's political and economic crisis. Geza, a prominent figure in the opposition, had urged citizens to take to the streets to oppose Mnangagwa's bid for a third term, which he and others argue would further entrench the current regime's hold on power. In a statement leading up to the protest, Geza explained that the demonstrations were intended to be peaceful and were meant to signal widespread dissatisfaction with the government's direction. We are protesting because we cannot allow a third term for Mnangagwa. The people are suffering, and this government is doing nothing to address our needs, Geza said. However, when the protesters assembled in central Harare, their gathering was short-lived. Police, who had been heavily deployed in the area, moved quickly to disperse the crowd. Eyewitness reported that officers used force to scatter the protesters, creating a tense atmosphere in the heart of the city. One protester who asked to remain anonymous shared their frustration. "We just wanted to express ourselves, but the police came and chased us away. We are tired of this government. We have the right to protest, but they just want to silence us." Ndoma shukano mudanyo kwa pana tunoti ayo vanhu vari kubatikana nekumisiwa kana kurambidzwa kuprotesta nekuratidzira kushiya own views vachioposa the regime. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Penyai comment section medu kunze mafunguro enyu. Sona subscribe or like, sonda bell icon.